In today's digital age, e-commerce has become a vital avenue for businesses to reach customers and generate profits. However, many online entrepreneurs struggle to maximize their earnings and achieve the success they desire. If you find yourself in this predicament, fret not. This article will provide you with a step-by-step roadmap that guarantees to double your online profits within just 30 days. By following these proven strategies and implementing them effectively, you can unlock the full potential of your e-commerce venture. Identifying the problem. As an ambitious online entrepreneur, it is likely that you have encountered various challenges on your journey towards profitability. Perhaps you are struggling with low conversion rates or failing to attract enough qualified traffic to your website. Maybe your marketing efforts have fallen flat or your product pricing is not optimized for maximum profit margins. These hurdles can be frustrating and demotivating, leaving you wondering how others seem to effortlessly succeed while you continue to struggle. Unique rationale. This article aims to address these pain points by providing a comprehensive roadmap specifically designed for e-commerce success. By following this step-by-step guide, readers like yourself will gain invaluable insights into improving conversion rates, attracting targeted traffic, optimizing pricing strategies, and much more. What you will get out of this article: increased conversion rates. Learn effective techniques and best practices for optimizing your website's design layout and user experience, UX, elements that lead visitors down the sales funnel. Targeted traffic generation. Discover powerful methods such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content creation strategies, and paid advertising campaigns that drive quality traffic directly relevant to your products or services. Pricing optimization strategies. Uncover tactics on how to set prices that maximize profit margins while remaining competitive in the market. Implementing effective marketing campaigns. Learn how to create compelling marketing campaigns that resonate with your target audience and drive sales. Building customer loyalty. Understand the importance of establishing strong relationships with your customers through exceptional customer service, personalized experiences, and loyalty programs. How to double your online profits in 30 days. Enhance your website's conversion potential. Optimize your website's design for easy navigation and seamless user experience. Use persuasive copywriting techniques to highlight product benefits and encourage conversions. Incorporate clear call-to-action buttons throughout your site. Drive targeted traffic. Conduct thorough keyword research to optimize your website for search engines. Leverage social media platforms by creating engaging content and running targeted ad campaigns. Collaborate with influencers or industry experts to expand your reach. Optimize pricing strategies. Analyze competitor pricing models and adjust accordingly while maintaining profitability. Offer attractive discounts or promotions during peak buying seasons or holidays. Implement effective marketing campaigns. Craft compelling email marketing campaigns that nurture leads into customers. Utilize data-driven insights from analytics tools to refine marketing strategies continually. Build customer loyalty. Provide exceptional customer service by promptly addressing inquiries or concerns. Personalize the shopping experience through tailored recommendations based on past purchases or browsing history. Create a loyalty program that rewards repeat customers with exclusive offers, discounts, or early access to new products. Conclusion. By following this step-by-step roadmap for e-commerce success, you can double your online profits within just 30 days. From enhancing conversion rates on your website to driving targeted traffic, optimizing pricing strategies, implementing effective marketing campaigns, and building customer loyalty, each strategy is designed specifically for e-commerce triumphs. Embrace these proven techniques today and unlock the full potential of your online business.